ligament becomes more important.
No rocking should be there, in extension and flexion.
And that's why there's no component which they do TBI and varus. There's a very strong group. They say they are developing an anatomical joint because normal anatomy is in varus. So they have developed an anatomical joint which will load TBI and varus and integral component in varus. So वो जो आप TBI ज़्यादा काटते हैं कम काटते हैं.
New persons you can say is if anybody of us starts, then what is your advice? Should we go for long leg X-ray or should we not go for
long leg X-ray? I told you will give you a lot of information, so you must go. Anyway, you have to see hip. हिप तो आपको देखना ही है, हिप आपका प्रोटिश्यू है, पूरा चेंज बदल हो जाए. हिप तो आपको देखना ही है, स्पाइन देखना ही है, टीबिया वगैरह आपको दिख ही रहा है, तो क्या परेशानी है थाई का एक्सरे लेने में. बट उसके एंगल से बहुत ज़्यादा डेविएट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट आई कैन टेल यू, योर एम शुड बी परफेक्ट. इफ यू प्लान फॉर 6 degrees, you must try to stick to 6 degrees. So that अगर आप इसके थोड़ा 2 degree इधर-उधर जाएंगे तब भी वहीं रहेंगे. अगर आप उसी मतलब you cannot take it casually. What I mean.
Many patients are coming. You can say they are mesmerized by different kinds of advertisements that, okay, doctor, I want a knee replacement or I want a hip replacement. Will I be able to sit squatting or will I be able to sit cross-legged on ground? These advertisements, they say that you can. So what is the actual promise that one should make? Can they really do it, or should you say that if you are doing it, then the longevity of the implant will reduce?
Actually, again, it is patient specific. They are high flex knees. You give me a patient with a conical thigh, thick calf muscles, use any body joint, she will never break.
The thigh needs the calf. How can you
whatever implant? And I can tell you another thing. In same patient, you give me any joint, any
Of tibial slope and the movement.
whatever you do, you can get little more, but it is patient specific and surgeon specific. Patient specific, the body structure, the ligament structure, and the surgeon specific, how finally you can do a good posterior release, that's all. But if the hips, again, a very thick hip, whatever you do, the high range, he can squat. So what we can safely say that they can sit cross-legged on bed, because the real test or the stress comes when they are trying to lift their body against gravity from extreme flexion position. So bed से तो आप पैर लटका के नीचे बैठ के खड़े होंगे. That's one part. In the hip cases, what I prefer, I tell them, weight you capable of sitting on the ground, but the longevity of the joint, because normal joint has got an inherent capability of healing. The artificial joint has got no capability of healing, only repair, where the normal joint has repair. So you have to protect the joint for longevity and use extremes of movement as less as possible. Hip में you are capable, but don't use it every day. जहाँ जरूरत पड़े use करें.
And what a wonderful effort. Hey, this is what is you are humble to say that the team is there, but wonderful work that your energy, your enthusiasm is commendable and at the top. So wonderful.
I thank all the people who have helped us. The team was there, and it was a big team with all the medical companies who put it to it. I know their workers or their office bearers are here on Sunday also. We are taking their Sunday also, their families. So I thank the all pharma companies that they could chip in their money, labor,
and precious
effort,
time.
and precious time, all. And my all colleagues and friends, we were together. Thank you. Thanks for being with us. Okay, thank you, Praveen, for coming. अरे एक तो बोल दो, चलते हैं, चलते हैं,